Okay, so you're supposed to click the link that I have posted in Class Dojo. Okay, then it leads into Google Arts and Culture. So since we are going to learn about Post-Impressionism, we are going to take a good look on the famous artist called Van Gogh. He is a very famous Post-Impressionist artist among other artists. Okay, so now you're going to just take a look at all the famous paintings that you know. Maybe first you have to click this. This is how I want you to see. And then if you want to look at how it's displayed in the real museum, you can take a look like this. Yeah, zoom to see how it's painted. It's very clear on his way, the style of painting, strokes and all. Yes, and if you want to just go back, look at his other painting. This is augmented reality. If you view on the web, it's so clear that you can zoom in and see. Look at the strokes. It's as clear as that. So you will have to study the way he has painted, the way he has used a very thick paint, how he obtained all these strokes and all. You can take a good look at other paintings as well. For example, this one. If you want to see a view in street view, oh, this is how his paint is displayed in Amsterdam. So you can just see the introduction of his. You can read about him. Yes, all these. Before you come to the class, please go through all these introduction about him, and also you can have a good look at the real painting that's being displayed.